the elephant tour bus.
We watched the documentary and it was super sad.
It was so sad. We're here for just 10 minutes to wait for them to kind of get ready and start, but basically we were watching the video and it was so sad. They were talking about how a lot of the elephants are tortured. So we chose the Elephant Nature Park because it's essentially like a sanctuary, and that way they kind of rescue the elephants and they're given a home and you don't ride them, which really hurts their back, which is really surprising to me that a lot of countries in the world still do that. So yeah, it was really sad, but they're spraying some bug spray now because we don't want to get bit. See, there's elephant here. It's a really nice area, and the ride here was really nice too. Like, it was just kind of nice to get away from the city side and see a bit more of like the rural countryside.
Stay with them around the clock or when they sleep?
They beat the elephant.
So they were telling us that the Elephant Nature Park doesn't just have elephants, you have doggies too. It's basically an animal shelter.
Jess is feeding Bumar. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, his skin is a lot more like rough than oh, it's really weird. So we just said bye to this elephant and we're gonna go see a couple more. These ones. They're actually pretty old, so apparently in the sanctuaries the elephants live quite long, pretty much like human years, but in the wild they die a lot quicker, which is pretty sad, but at least they're really well taken care of right now. So here's a little tiny baby elephant, only 3 weeks old. So cute! Oh, I know, right? So cool. Oh, so cute. Just smile. So itchy. So we just finished lunch. It's around 1 p.m. now, and we're gonna go bathe the elephants. Guitar swing. We're at a restaurant now called Dash Teak House. It's pretty nice. We got our food! Yay! Yay! Everyone's taking photos. So here we have the chicken pad thai. Here is the shrimp pad thai. And there we have their famous crispy chicken. And I got a Thai iced tea. There's a pina colada. There's Jesse's face. Renee got a beer. And Suji got a Somersby. Alright, time to feast! We just got the tom yum goong here with the shrimp and the green curry with some rice. Now we're ready to feast. Bring your honor, bring your